Hey guys, so we're here at the car dealership and we're about to get a new car. We came last week to look at some cars, but they didn't have the one we liked. So today they got the one we like with the color and the package and everything. Yeah, so we're gonna go in, we're gonna negotiate, and we're gonna see if we come out with a new car or not. Yeah, do some business. But here's some footage from last week to show y'all what we looked at.
Okay, so right now, this is our dream car. Leather seats, touch screen. This is definitely the car that we want. We're very open-minded to having white or black. And then, as you can see in the back, this is not just the trunk. If you pull these two seats up, it comes up and there's an extra 2 seats. So it's a 4-seater in the back.
So we found the car we liked, the color, the package, everything. Now we're just waiting to talk to the salespeople or the financial department. The only thing is we have Parker and he's acting crazy. So tip, leave all the kids at home. Hopefully this is the last step and then we'll be out of here with our new car.
Okay guys, so we got the car. Thank you to Raul. He helped us out big time. So if you are looking for a car, go to him.
That's him right there. What? So yeah, we got our car. Everything went great. We got the price we wanted, the car we wanted, and we are happy. Yeah. So we'll show y'all later on where our car is because it's nighttime right now. It's dark.
Yeah,
so
and
we're
it's raining.
So we're about to go to Chucky Cheese on a Saturday. So wish us luck.
Yeah, we'll see how it goes. And Penny's like really excited because we keep telling her every week, and finally we just thought, why don't we just take her this weekend?
Yeah, so we're about to do Chucky Cheese and we're gonna see how it goes. So wish us luck. Penny, you ready to go see Chucky Cheese?
Yeah!
Hi! Hi, Parky! How do you think it's going so far?
It's going good so far. It's pretty packed, but I would say Penny's doing good. She had a little run-in with another little girl, but she did good. She did real good. So
yeah, so we're about halfway through our points, and we're gonna go play some more.
Hey guys, so we're gonna show you the full review of our car under 30 seconds. Let's go! So first off, it's a Volkswagen T1 SE.
Next thing, we got the color black. Next thing, we got black leather interior.
Black on black.
We also got a backup camera. We got push start.
And last, but certainly not least, touchscreen CarPlay. Okay guys, so I hope that you liked our little review on our car. We are very happy with it. And you know, of course, you know, we can fit our kids in the back. Hopefully no more because we can fit more. But yeah, that's our Sunday vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed and y'all have a great Sunday.
And one last thing is we're gonna end it with the outfit of the day. Bye.